updates within the field service application on Dynamics. Traditionally, there's been two approaches to a mobile device. You either used the native Dynamics mobile device or you used the Resco Woodford mobile solution. There were advantages to the Resco Woodford mobile solution. Many of those have now been replaced or taken care of in the Dynamics app. One of the big ones is now the geo-fencing capability. I should also mention that offline capability has gotten much better on the Dynamics app itself, but we are able to manage geo-fencing within the native Dynamics app. So very cool there. We're getting ready to release this with a couple clients right now where we're, instead of using the traditional Resco app, we have shifted over to the Dynamics app for operations for the field techs. The next thing is, if you haven't tried it, the scheduling assistant and the quick book feature on field service is awesome. Now, I'm mentioning this in our field service update, but this is really for anything that's taking advantage of universal resource scheduling. So if you're running project service, soon to be project operations, look for that Q4 update, little plug there. But anything that allows resource scheduling, the quick book takes out a number of clicks. I don't even remember how many, at least more than I'd want to do, and is a nice fly out, quick create option for you in the forms. And then lastly, a newer functionality that's being introduced and slowly rolled out are inspections. So think of, I almost said Forms Pro, whatever, that type of functionality, being able to design a survey-like flow in the work order so that whether on-site or afterwards, a series of questions can be filled out, or you could hand the tablet to the customer, but it is the more or less a better interface to guide them through steps of what they need to do. It's called Inspections. If you haven't heard about it yet, go check it out. If you have heard about it and you have questions, please reach out to us. But this is a super helpful guided data input functionality that's been long overdue. And George over here is wincing as he hears me say this because of all the time and effort we put in building a custom one of these a couple of years ago for a client. So, very exciting stuff happening in the field service world, and I'm excited to see what else continues to go on in engagement.